कर्ली हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट फिनोमेना फ्रॉम नॉर्मल हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट. जिनके बाल कर्ली होते हैं और स्ट्रेट बालों की ट्रांसप्लांट प्रोसेस बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. सो वी हैव अ फ्रेंड हियर, वी आर गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टिंग देयर ट्रांसप्लांट वेरी सून. यू कैन नोट दैट द हेयर इज वेरी कर्ली, एब्सोल्युटली एक दूसरे के ऊपर कॉइल्ड अप है. सो दिस इज अ टिपिकल curly hair transplant. It's not wavy hair, they're all curly. Now the things which are different, one, I don't recommend doing FUE in a curly hair transplant. The reason for that is curly hair root is like this. So if I see from the top, this is the skin, the hair is like this. Even inside, the root is sometimes like this, sometimes like this, like this. Now when we do FUE, so we are going to use this sponge, and this sponge can often damage many of the hair follicles. So the number of follicles that we can get in a graft may be less if we do FUE. So FUT is much better, but it is not easy. Even in FUT, it is very difficult to separate each hair because, for example, this is the skin, and when we have taken out one sliver of the strip, the hair inside is arranged like this. Like this. Like this. So when we are separating each hair, we have to go very slow to separate the rest of it and not damage the surrounding hair. That is very, very important to understand. So it's a very slow process compared to the other transplant technique. So FUT, the team has to be very experienced. Even the next, so when the doctor is taking out the strip, they have to go very slow, so as to not to damage hair, because hair is all curled. Next step, implantation. So when we are making a hole in the skin, suppose this is the head and we are making a hole to put the hair, we have to actually make a larger hole. The reason is the roots are often like this. Instead of like this, the roots go like this, like this. Sometimes they are turned, they are S-shaped. So we often get situations where it is S-shaped. So like this. So it is difficult to put the roots if the hole is very small. So every slit needs to be slightly larger. We have to go more slowly. Now, once the implantation is done, the results of course take 9 to 10 months. The advantage of curly hair transplant is the results are much better. Why? Results better क्यों होते हैं in a curly hair transplant? So if there are two hair follicles which are like this, light, sunlight, tube light, it has space to come here, hit the skin, go back, and it comes on to us. So we can see the scalp. For example, अगर मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, the light hits between each hair, comes, and you can see my color of my scalp. In a curly hair, the same hair is like this. When the light comes, it hits the hair. So black hair will absorb all the light, you cannot see anything. Again, light comes here, it hits. Light comes here, it hits here. Light comes here, it hits here. It cannot hit the scalp. And therefore, scalp ki visibility is almost nil. The result therefore in curly hair is much, much better. So at least, I think it is at least 30% better, maybe 40% better than same person with straight hair. So curly hair people have the advantage that they get much better results.
magacaygu waa Cabdilaahi Maxamed Barkad. I'm from Soomaaliya ka imiday. Waxaan halkan u imiday inaan timaha beerto. Timahaygu markii hore waxaan lahaa salaxyo dhaadheer oo reeri imika timaha ii soo baxay. Aad baan ugu faraxsanahay inaan imaado isbitaalkan iyo Dr. Amit oo ah dhakhtarka ii suubiyay qalliinka. Qalliinku wax weyn ma aha, kaliya waxoogaa wax yar oo fudud buu ahaa, culaysna iguma hayn. I'm feeling happy now. My hair is growing up, and I'm thankful to Dr. Amit and his team and the hospital. They are so very nice. wax xanuun oo imika dareemaya ma jirto, wax culays oo madaxa igu hayana ma jiro. aad baan ugu faraxsanahay inaan timaha beerto, aad baan ugu faraxsanahay inaan halkan imaado. Thank you so much.